Hey everyone! Today we're diving into a hot topic that's causing waves both in South Africa and around the world. We're talking about the Expropriation Act of 2024. This new law, signed by President Cyril Ramaphosa, is all about land reform, and boy, is it stirring up some strong opinions. So what's the deal with this law? In a nutshell, it allows the South African government to seize land without compensation in specific cases for public purposes and interests. A few examples include unused land, abandoned properties, and land where state investments exceed market value. The goal here is to address historical land injustices and redistribute land to historically marginalized groups. To understand why this law exists, we need to look back at South Africa's history. Apartheid, the notorious system of racial segregation, ended in 1994. But the roots of land inequality go back even further. The Natives Land Act of 1913 restricted black South African land ownership to just 7% of the country's territory. Even after apartheid ended, white South Africans still owned 72% of farming land. The Expropriation Act aims to rebalance land ownership, but not everyone is on board. The majority of black people need places to stay near economic hubs. Transport costs contributes to black financial struggles. Blacks were deliberately placed far under apartheid. The African National Congress, or ANC, calls it a significant milestone. They argue it's a constitutionally mandated process aimed at transforming South Africa. However, the Democratic Alliance, a major political party, strongly opposes the law. They're concerned about its legal framework and potential economic impacts. And it's not just a domestic issue. Internationally, this law has sparked major debates. Former U.S. President Donald Trump signed an executive order halting U.S. aid to South Africa and offered refugee status to white South African farmers. He labeled the law as enabling racial discrimination. Elon Musk, the South Africa-born billionaire, has also been vocal, accusing the government of failing to protect white farmers. But here's the kicker. As of mid-May 2025, no land has been forcibly taken without compensation under this new law. The government emphasizes that any expropriation will be just, equitable, and in the public interest. A lot of landowners, the majority of which are whites, hold large pockets of land for speculative purposes. Some of them got it for next to nothing. Some of these properties lie abandoned and derelict, in some cases because the owner wants it to lose its historic building nature to allow them to change it without preserving its nature. Squatters and building hijackers take advantage of this, caused squatter camps to mushroom everywhere. What do you think? Is this law a necessary step to address historical wrongs, or does it pose too many risks to property rights and economic stability? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates on global issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.